Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Scammers of days have developed a new strategies on their romance scam and we need to look at it. I go by the name called Cyber and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the VP Best Live Voice Changer. This device helps you to what? To change your voice from male to female, from female to male. And why are we talking about? Scammers or romance scammers have used this app in the wrong way. They what? Call you pretending to be what? A female. Meanwhile, they are a male. They will use this device what? To clone a female voice and talk to you like they are male. At first, they used to convert their voice into female voice through their own vocals. But nowadays, with the help of what VP Best Live Voice Changer, they can do it easy. The reason why I'm talking about is that I want you to be aware of all these things because the internet or the cyberspace is getting more scary and it is very important for you to be aware of such devices and especially those who are on any dating platform or any online dating activities. You must be very careful with these what scammers. They are getting out of hand with their romance scam or their romance scheme. So this is how they set up the VP Best Live Voice Changer. I have this video here and have the other video here, and if you watch it, please do it to comment and say something about the device, or if in case it has happened to you before, make sure you drop it in the comment section and we are going to address it. So you can watch the videos and what get back to me in the comment section.
Okay, so this is the device here, the physical voice changer device. So all you just do is you turn it on. It's on. Now it's connected to this Android phone. Now I'll be making a call now. Now I'm changing from male to female. Changing from male to female. Then I'll be calling now. So once I call, what you hear is going to be a female voice. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello? How you doing?
How you doing?
Hello. How you
How you
doing?
doing?
Send the
Send your
phone
chorus to
resume.
me.
Send the
Send your
phone
chorus to
resume.
me.
You can also
You can
send
also
to
send
mail,
to me.
female to male,
Hello.
male. Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Ah.
Now you have finally watched the video. This is how you are going to protect yourself against this romance scam. First of all, don't chat with someone on any romance platform or any online dating platform if you are not sure, if you don't believe your instincts. Don't what chat with the person. Two, when you are talking to someone or you are on a phone call with someone, make sure to analyze the voice, whether it is an AI generated voice or just a Google voice or a voice from what? A VP Best Live Voice Changer, because the Best Live Voice Changer, the voice is different a bit from a normal human being voice. So you have to what? Analyze this voice and see that now I'm talking to a robot but not a human being. And you must also be careful with who you interact online so that you can be secured and protect your digital life and protect your personal life. I go by the name called Cyber. All I want you to do right now is what? Stay safe and stay informed. Follow us or subscribe to our YouTube channel so that anytime we drop any video on awareness and protection, you will get it. I go by the name called Cyber once again. See you in our next video. Stay safe and stay informed. Alhamdulillah.